Hi, everyone. I'm Erica Adler, shareholder and leader of the healthcare practice at Retzel and Andrus. I want to talk to you today about how to handle your practice receiving a medical record subpoena. A medical record subpoena is a legal order that essentially commands a healthcare provider to produce a patient's medical records for a legal proceeding. But just because it looks very official doesn't mean you should automatically respond to it, because releasing records inappropriately can be a violation of HIPAA. Who has signed that subpoena? If it is an attorney, medical records should not be sent unless there's actually a HIPAA authorization signed by a patient attached to it. If it is signed by a judge and part of a court order, then you can respond to it whether or not that HIPAA authorization is attached. Also, if it's a subpoena from a grand jury, then you can respond. If none of the above are satisfied, I usually do recommend that you talk to your lawyer about the next best steps. Now, not responding to a proper subpoena is an issue, since you could then be in contempt of court. But responding to an improper subpoena also presents some major issues. First of all, the Department of Health and Human Services Office of Civil Rights, which enforces HIPAA, could go after you with civil monetary penalty. The patient whose information was improperly released can also go after you as well through a civil lawsuit. Licensing boards can also take disciplinary action against healthcare professionals who violate patient privacy laws. This could include a suspension or even a revocation of a license. And finally, improper handling of patient information can severely damage your reputation. If you do turn over records, make sure you're documenting what was sent, how it was sent, and when they were sent, and keep this information in your records for further future reference. I'm Erica Adler. See you next time.
The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as, and should not be taken as, legal advice. Viewing this video does not create an attorney-client relationship between you and the presenter or WebMD. You should consult with your own legal counsel for advice regarding your specific situation.